Are you thinking about signing up for AkashX? Before you make any decisions, this video is a must-watch because while AkashX promotes itself as a next-gen educational platform for mastering digital currencies, Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities, there are several things that deserve a closer look. On the surface, the promise sounds appealing. Learn high-level trading strategies and gain financial literacy in fast-growing markets. But once you look past the flashy marketing, serious concerns begin to emerge. For starters, AkashX is not authorized to operate in New Zealand, and more importantly, it's unlicensed to provide financial advice or investment services, a major red flag for any company claiming to guide you through the financial markets. It's also being promoted through suspicious websites connected to shell companies, which makes the entire operation feel more like a network marketing scheme than a legitimate educational platform. Adding to the concerns, the CEO, Josh Swagel, is associated with ventures that aren't registered with key U.S. financial regulatory bodies like the SEC and the CFTC. These institutions exist for a reason to protect consumers from unregulated and potentially harmful financial products or schemes. In fact, watchdog site behind them flagged Akash shortly after New Zealand's financial markets authority issued an official fraud warning against the platform. That's not something to ignore. While this review doesn't claim that AkashX is an outright scam, the lack of transparency, missing licenses, and concerning affiliations make it difficult to recommend. It might offer some educational content, but with so many verified platforms out there, trusting one surrounded by regulatory red flags might not be worth the risk. Always do your own research and prioritize safety over hype, especially in industries filled with bold promises and very little accountability.